Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure the Redmi Note 13 Pro has at least 20% battery and is on Wi-Fi so downloads complete quickly. Next, open Settings and go to Wallpaper and Style, or simply long press the home screen to reach wallpaper options. Grant any permission prompts for storage or live wallpaper access. Without them, you can't set animations. Once permissions are accepted, tap Live Wallpapers or Browse Gallery to locate a live file and move to selecting it. You now pick the live wallpaper. Choose a built-in one or tap Gallery to select a live photo or short video. Preview the motion to confirm it loops properly. Make sure to crop and scale so important content isn't off-screen. If the chosen wallpaper offers speed or quality settings, set them. Slower uses less battery. Once satisfied, choose whether to apply to home, lock, or both screens. Apply it and watch the animation initialize, then move to final checks. You finish by confirming the wallpaper runs smoothly and checking battery impact over a few minutes. If you notice excessive drain, switch to lower quality or shorter animations. If the screen stays static, reboot the phone and reapply the live wallpaper. This often resolves permission or process hangs. Make sure MIUI and your Gallery/Wallpapers app are updated. Outdated software can block live playback. If problems persist, clear app cache for wallpapers and retry so the system reloads assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.